فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا اقتلوه أو حرقوه فأنجاه الله من النار إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
The people of Abraham had no other answer than to say, "Kill him or burn him." But Allah delivered him from the fire. There are many signs in this for those who believe.
وقال إنما اتخذتم من دون الله أوثانا مودة بينكم في الحياة الدنيا ثم يوم القيامة يكفر بعضكم ببعض ويلعن بعضكم بعضا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين.
He said, "You have taken up idols instead of Allah as a bond of love among yourselves in the present life, but on the day of resurrection you will disown and curse one another. Your refuge shall be the fire, and none will come to your aid."
فآمن له لوط وقال إني مهاجر إلى ربي إنه هو العزيز الحكيم.
Then did Lot believe him, and Abraham said, "I am immigrating unto my Lord. He is all-powerful, all-wise."
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب وجعلنا في ذريته النبوة والكتاب وآتيناه أجره في الدنيا وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين.
And we bestowed upon him offspring like Isaac and Jacob, and bestowed prophethood and the book on his descendants, and granted him his reward in this world. He will certainly be among the righteous in the hereafter.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه إنكم لتأتون الفاحشة ما سبقكم بها من أحد من العالمين.
We sent Lot, and he said to his people, "You commit the abomination that none in the world ever committed before you.
أئنكم لتأتون الرجال وتقطعون السبيل وتأتون في ناديكم المنكر فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا ائتنا بعذاب الله إن كنت من الصادقين.
What? Do you go to men to satisfy your lust, engage in highway robbery, and commit evil deeds in your gatherings? Then they had no answer to offer other than to say, "Bring Allah's chastisement upon us if you are truthful."
قال رب انصرني على القوم المفسدين.
Lot said, "My Lord, aid me against these mischievous people."
ولما جاءت رسلنا إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا إنا مهلكو أهل هذه القرية إن أهلها كانوا ظالمين.
When our emissaries brought the good news to Abraham and said to him, "We are surely going to destroy the inhabitants of this city. Its inhabitants are immersed in wrongdoing."
قال إن لننجين فيها لوطا قالوا نحن أعلم بمن فيها لننجينه وأهله إلا امرأته كانت من الغابرين.
Abraham said, "But Lot is there." They replied, "We are well aware of those who are there. We shall save him and all his household except his wife. His wife is among those who will stay behind."
ولما أن جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقالوا لا تخف ولا تحزن إنا منجوك وأهلك إلا امرأتك كانت من الغابرين.
When our emissaries came to Lot, he was distressed and embarrassed on their account. They said, "Do not fear nor be distressed. We shall save you and all your household except your wife, who is among those that will stay behind."
إنا منزلون على أهل هذه القرية رجزا من السماء بما كانوا يفسقون.
We shall bring down upon the people of this city a scourge from the heaven because of their evil doing.
وَلَقَدْ تَرَكْنَا مِنْهَا آيَةً بَيِّنَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ.
And we have left a vestige of it in that city as a clear sign for a people who use their reason.
وَإِلَى مَدْيَنَ أَخَاهُمْ شُعَيْبًا فَقَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَارْجُوا الْيَوْمَ الْآخِرَ وَلَا تَعْثَوْا فِي الْأَرْضِ مُفْسِدِينَ.
And we sent to Midian their brother Shuaib. He said, "My people, serve Allah and look forward to the last day and do not go about the earth committing mischief."
فكذبوه فأخذتهم الرجفة فأصبحوا في دارهم جاثمين.
But they denounced him as a liar. So a mighty earthquake overtook them, and by the morning they lay overturned in their houses.
وعادا وثمود وقد تبين لكم من مساكنهم وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل وكانوا مستبصرين.
And we destroyed Ad and Thamud, whose dwellings you have observed. Satan had embellished their deeds for them and had turned them away from the right path, although they were a people of clear perception.
وقارون وفرعون وهامان ولقد جاءهم موسى بالبينات فاستكبروا في الأرض وما كانوا سابقين.
And we destroyed Qarun, Korah, and Pharaoh and Haman. Moses came to them with clear signs, but they waxed arrogant in the land, although they could not have outstripped us.
فَكُلًّا أَخَذْنَا بِذَنبِهِ فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَرْسَلْنَا عَلَيْهِ حَاصِبًا وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَخَذَتْهُ الصَّيْحَةُ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ خَسَفْنَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَغْرَقْنَا وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيَظْلِمَهُمْ وَلَكِنْ كَانُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ.
So we seized each for their sin. We let loose upon some a violent tornado with showers of stones. Some were overtaken by a mighty cry. Some were caused to be swallowed up by the earth, and some we drowned. Allah would not wrong them, but it is they who wronged themselves.
مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أوهن البيوت لبيت العنكبوت لو كانوا يعلمون.
The case of those who took others than Allah as their protectors is that of a spider who builds a house, but the frailest of all houses is the spider's house, if they only knew.
إن الله يعلم ما يدعون من دونه من شيء وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Surely Allah knows fully what they call upon apart from Him. He is the most powerful, the most wise.
وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس وما يعقلها إلا العالمون.
These are the parables that we set forth to make people understand, but only those endowed with knowledge will comprehend them.
خلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
Allah has created the heavens and the earth in truth. Certainly, there's a sign in this for those who believe.
أتل ما أوحي إليك من الكتاب وأقم الصلاة إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر ولذكر الله أكبر والله يعلم ما تصنعون.
O Prophet, recite the book that has been revealed to you and establish prayer. Surely, prayer forbids indecency and evil, and Allah's remembrance is of even greater merit. Allah knows all that you do.
ولا تجادلوا أهل الكتاب إلا بالتي هي أحسن إلا الذين ظلموا منهم وقولوا آمنا بالذي أنزل إلينا وأنزل إليكم وإلهنا وإلهكم واحد ونحن له مسلمون.
Argue not with the people of the book except in the fairest manner, unless it be those of them that are utterly unjust. Say to them, we believe in what was revealed to us and what was revealed to you. One is our God and your God, and we are those who submit ourselves to Him.